For a normal conception, we all know that we need a normal semen count of 15 to 20 million. But is pregnancy possible with a sperm count of less than 2 million? Yes, it is possible with a wonderful technique of ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. We can select morphologically normal sperms and inject into the eggs of the female partner with a very good success rate.
Namar ke jing sokya halor ke jingkylla ke jinglong jingman ke sun beneng kebelah kata ajur kinong rap. Kibor ke ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Umyam kila pynlong da ke jingiatai ke bekerpang lani ke annual review kam action workshop. Kebadi ke pang kumno ban penmi kilat kelenti ban wengi ke jing bay kendo di kinong rap. Ha kini ke program kebelah sedang ha ke atpu praterik bat kalakut pat ha kalai putrik uyayong. Lawan Malaysia benta do ba Vincent H Pala UMP ke Shillong Seat Syak yang dorbar parlimen kum ukongsan. Ha ke jing dan langru ke officer bat ke start science nak ke ICAR lembat palat san pungut kinong rep nak ke distrik Riboy. Ha bakran ke negesngi uba Vincent H Pala ulai ke jingero ikibor ke ICAR kamtam katenat ke badai pej. Halor karep karyang kebelashim kia ban pynlong yang kini program menyatai na ajing tip. Halor kilat kelenti kumno balak menyerap ginong rep di baju imja kepo na kini kakam. Haba ja kini kijingja na jingkylla ha jinglong jingman kesun beneng. Ulaong ru bagadai shisha kini kapang melawan rak daga tenat ICAR menyatai badwat kilat jingiada na jingkylla jinglong jingman kesun beneng. Bagadai kebakong sanbha namar la sakhi ya jingkta na kini kebentah kini kendiat senem. Bat kini kisnem ke banangwan ru ulong ba amla ban tip kan long kumno. Kumta lengba kini ke program kan long shisha ke jing mentoy ya ki pat nong rap ban yo kilat jingnang jing tip kumno ban yada ya lagi jing thung jing tip hakum kini ki khap.
Some of the countries, some of the regions, they take climate change very seriously, and some of them do not take it seriously. But I think we in India, and especially in the Northeast, we should take climate change very serious. Because a small example, if you see in farming or in agriculture, a slight change in the climate, there's a huge impact on productions. Especially in areas where we totally depend on rainfall, like Meghalaya. Sometimes, if you see 20 years back, when it rains in Meghalaya, it rains all over Meghalaya. But for the last few years, when it rains, sometimes it rains in Umyam and it doesn't rain in Shillong. So this is part of the effect of climate change.